Hello there, Jonathan Harris again from COHO. And as part of our new feature series, I'm going to be focusing today on the rental collection area and specifically the new ability to now add rental credits against one of your tenants. And this is useful in scenarios whereby you may have given a certain tenant the responsibility to take out the bins or perform certain cleaning tasks for which you reward them and pay them back by deducting an amount off their rent. So all you need to do is you need to go into your COHO account, select the property in question, and then scroll down to the tenant in question. We'll take Elliot here in room 1 as an example. And all you need to do is go down to the rent collection panel, open up the show panel content, and you'll see the full rent schedule here. What we now need to do is we need to log a payment. We're going to give them a £25 credit against their March rent as a thank you for sorting out the cleaning for that month. We'll mark it as being a rent credit. It's already assigned it against, April, not March, but it's assigned against April. We then click Save. That will now take you back to the rent area, and you'll see that it's showing the April rent as being part paid. So what you now need to do is when April comes in as being a rent payment, you'll simply go back to log payment. It will automatically populate the £475 that's due from them. Obviously you've credited the £25. You'll select the payment method. In this case, it was a card payment. It's associated against April. £475 has been assigned, and you click Save. And it's as easy as that. So that is a great way to assign credits to your tenants. So do give it a go. Any questions, as always, you know where we are. But for now, take care.